And if you keep on asking, I'll just keep saying so. This isn't what I wanted.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a very exciting video. First, it's my first video back from not having internet and all that bad stuff. I'm not even gonna lie, it was pretty bad not having internet for about 2.5 months. But this is my first Planner Monday back, and I'm excited to share with y'all my first cloth and paper subscription box. I picked this box on a whim. I didn't know if I was going to get it or not. I was very back and forth. I watched many people talk about this box. I looked on the internet. I tried to do my research because this box is pretty pricey. If I'm not mistaken, it is $38 for just the stationery box, and if you want the stationery box and the Pinspiration box, it is $48 because just the Pinspiration box is $18. So I did just get the stationery because I'm pretty set on which pens I use. Maybe in the future, if y'all want me to, I will get the Pinspiration box from Cloth and Paper just to see how it is. So this is what it comes in. It comes in this black box. I can't show you the front because it does have my address on it, but you always get some cards. So it says, well, hello there. It says, we styled this month's box on our blog. Check out why we chose these items and read all the specifics. If you're feeling super fancy, post a pic of your box online and tag us. You could win a 3-month subscription or a $100 credit to our website. So I haven't posted a picture on my Instagram yet because I didn't want it to ruin it for y'all. And then it says, become a CMP affiliate. It says, earn a $30 credit towards future boxes if you refer 3 friends. So there's that. So it comes in this pretty nice paper, this tissue paper, and of course has the official Cloth and Paper Capsule Collection sticker. So here we go. So the first thing I see is this pen. It doesn't have a logo on it, but it's a nice black pen. Super, super nice. Like I said, I use my Papermate pen, so I'll have to give this a try. I wonder, let me find a piece of paper so I can try it out for you guys. You know, we'll just try it on this thing. Oh, it's nice. It's very thin. It writes very, very smooth. I believe it is a gel one. Doesn't smear, and I am left-handed, so that is good. Really, really like that. The next thing we have in here, I could have just wrote on this, is some Cloth and Paper sticky notes. I love Cloth and Paper sticky notes. They hold up really well. They are the Bic brand. I guess that's who prints them, or that's what she prints them on. So I love her sticky notes. I have marble and I have some other different ones. If you've seen different planner videos, I'm sure you have seen them. So I'm super excited about those. You get 2, I believe. Let's see. Let's go ahead and open it. I'm just going to rip it open. Nope, it's just one big one. I thought it may have been 2, but it's just one big one. And I really like it because you can just make a little list on here, grocery list or whatever. We also get some monthly tabs in a gold foil. So that is pretty. So this is why I decided to subscribe to this box. So I did know that this is what she was going to be featuring in this box. I didn't know what was going to come in it, but I did know that this was the big thing. And I'm not sure if she sells this on the website. I'll have to look. And everything I can find that's in the box, I'll try to link down below. And I will also link where to get the box. So this is really, really nice that she put it in bubble wrap. So this is her bound, spiral bound planner. So if you didn't know, Cloth and Paper sells inserts for, I think, Pocket, A6 now, Desk Agenda, A5 Personal, and yeah. So I do have her Desk Agenda inserts, and I do have some personal ones. I don't have any for my A5 Agenda because I just haven't ventured into that yet. And yeah, so I love her Desk Agenda inserts. Most of her inserts are in there. I have the monthly and I have the weekly, and then I have a bunch of like different ones. So yeah, let me quit chit-chatting and let's dive in. So the first thing we have is just this black pocket right here. So just for the video sake, show you that. We'll put these in here. Then we have 2019 weekly planner. It says this belongs to. Then we have a year at a glance, which is very pretty. I love how her planners are very chic in a minimalistic kind of way. Y'all know I go back and forth on planners, and I really like this kind of planner for the workplace. It's very professional, and I like that. Then we have holidays. Birthday. So she did give us an option, since she did send this in the October box, that we can use it starting October. She didn't make us wait till 2019. So if you haven't seen the cloth and paper weekly setup, this is how it is. So she does Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I like the lines. I know one year she didn't have the lines, and lines are really, really big for me. I like that. Then she just gives us a month at a glance, what week it is, and then she gives us this right here, and it says priorities, so you can do your top 3. In my desk agenda, I do utilize this. I like to put 3 things I'm focusing on in the week, so I really, really like that. Did we have an option for months? No. So that is a big thing that I do not like. She doesn't give us a month at a glance. So that kind of stinks. That is a kind of downfall of this. She gives us extra pages to make a list. You can do like a grocery list, a brain dump, any of that kind of stuff. I did do a brain dump on mine, but I haven't used all 3. She gives us 1, 2, 3 in between months. So you could write video ideas, things that you need to get done, that kind of stuff. And that is, I think, all that's in here. It goes to December. It goes to the 5th of January. So that's cool that she does give that. I love cloth and papers. I love the gold color coil. I would recommend this if you don't use them like a month at a glance or monthly view. I do use monthly view, so that is kind of like a downfall. That would be my only negative thing about it. This is also kind of flimsy, I'm not gonna lie. It does say volume 2019. I really like that. And it's connected to this, but you could just pull it out if you wanted to, or you could just cut this right here and insert it in your desk agenda if that's what you have. And even if you got this and you didn't like it set up, you could just cut this and then insert it in another planner. I love cloth and papers planners, so the only thing that I would say negative about this whole situation is not having a monthly view. I really, really like monthly views, but that's okay. I'll still find a use for this planner. I'm excited to have one of these in my hands. Like I said, I knew this planner box would be wonderful because it's like all her products are such good quality, and she always makes sure that it's very packaged nicely so you don't receive anything damaged. So yeah, if you want to see more of these cloth and paper subscription box, let me know. I did keep signing up for them, so I should be getting one for the month of October. So this was September's box, so hopefully I'll get my October one and be able to film that for you guys. So yeah, hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.